Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to start a threading hairstyle on a 4C hair. When you are making a threading hairstyle in 4C hair, especially using yarn, this video I'm using yarn. What you need to do is after gripping the hair, you cross your thread under the hair 3 times, then you step up with the thread and start threading it upward. While threading it upward, you have to notice the length of the hair. Make sure you don't tie the hair before the end of the hair length. So you have to be very observant so that by the time you are tying the thread, you will not tie the hair with the thread. The reason why we avoid tying the hair with the thread is that during the time of losing, they will not be having issue of cutting the hair before losing. So you have to braid the hair, you have to thread the hair upward. Make sure you pass the hair a little bit before tying it. This time around I have passed the hair, I have passed her natural hair. I'm tying it now. Why tying it? If you want to tie it firmer, you don't want the hair to be losing later on, you have to shear the thread into two parts. Now you share the hair into two parts. Make sure the sharing is not equal anyway. The smaller part is what you use and not the hair, to make your hair look very neat, and it will help your hair to stay longer. You can carry it for months without the fear of losing back. Threading with yarn is one of the most beautiful hairstyle, African hairstyle, that you can see online now. It is very easy and it is very affordable for everyone to make. And one good thing about threading with yarn or natural hair is that it help your natural hair to stretch out without using heat on your hair. What I mean is that by the time you lose this particular thread, you can see that your hair will stretch out and it grow hair. Is another particular beautiful thing about threading hairstyle. It grow hair. You can see this time around I'm done braiding the hair, I'm done threading the hair, so I need to take it upward a little bit. Yes, this is not what you should do. Don't tie the whole thread. Divide it. Exactly, divide it and take the smaller part and knot it so that your hair will last longer. Watch the video to the end because you are going to see the part where I was packing the hair. It will also help you to pack your own hair very well and very neat. Thanks for always watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.